I've been dodging in these drugs, this shit is not me. And you see my mom and like, come on, that shit is not P. I keep on praying to the Lord, I hope he got me. I'ma keep on praying to the Lord, I hope he got me. Truth be told, I don't really know I can really go today. I'll never put that on my soul, bitch, you know it's okay. Cause I put chains all on my dog, that nigga roamed away. Bitch, I put chains all on my dog, that nigga flew away. I wanna rewind, just fuck a watch, but bitch, I need time. Should've told my dog, get off that block, you ain't got 3 lives. Oh, but I'm still tired. Shit ain't off and bitch, I feel exhausted. It's sad to say I lost 3 niggas, still ain't see a coffin. Shit can't really hate venom, bitch, I'm losing family. God forbid, nobody there, I hope you understand me. I'm low-key scared, my family tired, I put my hope in granny. But until then, I'm in the crib, you know real niggas in danger. They got this pain, it's on my palm, thinking it's my angels. Thinking about when I was young, with my auntie Mabel, and her fucked up cable. And I know that shit wasn't much, but that little shit that made us. Made us who we are. That's why I'm who I am. That's why I never scam. Craig, this shit, mom, hand me out the road more than a couple years. Some shit just stick with you, some shit don't sit with you. I learned I love my freedom more than thick bitches, more than all hoes. You won't ever reach the dial tone, that's my phone call. You won't ever have to press 1, put that on God. Don't look alive, look to the sky. Real eye, Hurricane in that motherfucking rain.